In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a box plot on Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheet and create a small summary table in a new row, such as row 1. This table is important because Google Sheets does not have a built-in Boxplot button in the same way some other tools do. So, we'll use a candlestick chart as a simple workaround. In the first row, type your headers exactly in this order. Dataset name in column A, min in column B, Q1 in column C, Q3 in column D, and max in column E. Keeping these labels in the correct order helps Google Sheets interpret the data properly when we build the chart. Next, move to the second row and enter the values that summarize your dataset. In cell A2, type the name of your dataset, such as Group A. This is the label that will appear with your chart. So use something clear and descriptive if needed. Then, in cell B2, enter the formula equals min and select the range from F2 to F20 inside parentheses. This gives you the minimum value from your raw data. In C2, enter equals quartile with the same range, followed by a comma and 1. To calculate the first quartile. In D2, use quartile again with the same range. But this time use 3 to calculate the third quartile. Finally, in E2, enter equals max with the range F2 to F20 to return the maximum value. At this point, your summary table should contain one row of calculated values based on your original data. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly check that your formulas are referencing the correct range. If your raw data is stored somewhere else, make sure to replace that range accordingly. Now highlight the full summary table, including the header row. In this example, that means selecting cells A1 through E2. Once the range is selected, go to the top menu bar. Click Insert and then choose Chart. Google Sheets will create a chart automatically, although it may not be the correct one at first. On the right side of the screen, the Chart Editor panel should open. Click the Setup tab if it isn't already selected. Then open the Chart Type drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Other category and choose Candlestick Chart. As soon as you select it, your data will be displayed in a format that works like a box plot using the minimum, quartiles, and maximum values you prepared. That's it, you've now created a boxplot style chart in Google Sheets using a candlestick chart. Thanks for watching.